Unpacking. Remove the foam protective paper. Rotate the stem forward. Align hub with fork. Insert quick release lever. Tighten and lock with rotating screws. Remove the stem cover plate. Install the stem cover plate. Tighten the screws in sequence. Install the rear shelf fixing rod. Install foot pedal. Reinforce with a wrench. Install the front fender. Install the fender support rod. Installing the brake. Align the brake pump with the reserved hole in the front fork. Tighten the screws. Reserve charging port on the vehicle body.